Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we will create an AI mood detector. So okay, first we would like to start by t equals input brackets dot lower brackets dot lower brackets. Then we would like to print happy if ha in t or good in t else sad if sad in t or bad in t else. Okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. Hi, it should be in string. Yep. Okay, so let's write happy. So I'm happy. So let's run again. So if I write LOL. Okay. So okay guys, well that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.